Ready to whip up some magic and impress your guests? Look no further. Welcome to a whirlwind tour of tantalizing treats where we'll reveal how to create stunning desserts in a flash. Stay tuned for some fancy dessert recipes that you can whip up in 60 seconds. First up, a chocolate lover's dream, molten lava cake. Imagine the richest, most indulgent chocolate you've ever tasted. Now, envision that chocolate elegantly flowing like a river of molten gold. That's what we're creating today. We start by melting the chocolate, then mixing it into a velvety batter. Into the oven it goes, and when it's ready, the moment of truth, cutting into the cake to reveal a luscious, oozing center. And there you have it, a decadent chocolate lava cake ready in a flash. Next, combine simplicity and sophistication with raspberry panna cotta. This dessert is all about the harmony of two elements, the creamy panna cotta and the tart raspberry coulis. First, we make a smooth and velvety panna cotta, a delicate dance of cream, sugar, and gelatin. Then comes the raspberry coulis, a burst of fruity freshness that beautifully balances the creaminess. Layer by layer, the panna cotta and coulis come together, creating a visually stunning contrast. Voila, an elegant raspberry panna cotta that screams fancy. Now let's create some bite-sized delight with mini tiramisu cups. Start by layering a rich, coffee-soaked biscuit base in each cup. Follow this with a generous layer of creamy mascarpone mixture, so light and fluffy it's like a dream. Repeat these layers until the cup is filled to the brim. To finish, dust the top with a fine layer of cocoa powder, giving it that classic tiramisu touch. And just like that, you have mini tiramisu cups that will leave your guests wanting more. Moving on to a rainbow of flavors with French macarons. These delicate, airy pastries are a true confectionery wonder. Each one is a little bite of heaven, with a crisp shell, chewy interior, and a creamy filling that ties it all together. From classic vanilla to adventurous matcha or even lavender, the flavor possibilities are endless. It's like a painter's palette, but for your taste buds. And let's not forget the final touch, the filling, which can be anything from a rich ganache to a tangy citrus curd. Aren't these French macarons just too pretty to eat? Last but not least, let's shine bright with a mirror glaze cake. This cake isn't just a dessert, it's a piece of edible art. The magic begins with a smooth blend of white chocolate, sweetened condensed milk, and gelatin. This concoction is then tinted with food coloring to create a glaze as glossy as a mirror. The real spectacle, though, is when this vibrant glaze cascades over the cake, enveloping it in a glossy, reflective shell. The result? A cake that's as dazzling as a diamond. And the taste? Just as spectacular. The glaze provides a sweet, creamy counterpoint to the cake beneath. Just look at that shine. This mirror glaze cake is sure to be the star of the show. And there you have it, 5 fancy desserts that you can make in no time. From the decadent chocolate lava cake, a chocolate lover's dream come true, to the elegantly layered raspberry panna cotta. How about those bite-sized delights of mini tiramisu cups or the rainbow of flavors in our French macarons? And let's not forget the show-stopping mirror glaze cake, shining bright like a diamond. Each dessert is a testament to the magic that can happen in your kitchen, even in just 60 seconds. So go on, dazzle your guests, and make every occasion special. Feast your eyes and taste buds. Remember, you too can create these dessert goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and fancy dessert recipes.